Question number 8. There are 7 persons upon a ladder A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Not in that order. A is further up than E but is lower than C. B is in the middle. G is between A and B. E is between B and F. If F is between E and D, the person on the bottom step of the ladder will be. So here there are 7 persons on the ladder. Then it is given here that A is further up than E. So if here it is E, A is further up than E. So this is the top, this is the bottom. Then it is in the next in that statement itself, A is further up than E but is lower than C. A is lower in the position lower than C. Then B is in the middle. As of now, we just keep this statement. G is between A and B. G is between A and B. This we can write like this also. G is between A and B. Then E is between B and F. E is between B and F. E is between B and F. Here we can see E is above A. But from the first statement, E is below A. So this position is not correct. So we have to take this arrangement. Then E comes here. E is between B and F. Then if F is between E and D, F is between E and D, the person on the bottom step of the ladder will be. So A, G, B, E, F, D. The remaining one C. So which one is in the bottom? D. And here we can cross check. B is in the middle. Below it there are 3 persons. Above it also there are 3 persons. So our answer is option C. D is in the bottom step of the ladder. If you have any suggestions, please do comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Keep supporting and loving us. Jai Hind.